Okay, so there's proof that I do dishes. Oh my god. All right, you guys, so I'm a little late today, but it's okay because I cook basically everything on high a lot of times in the crock pot because I'm always late, like I'm always running around, whatever. So I like to get my food into the crock pot before 1, just because I know I can like push it, right? So let me just show you these. These things are lifesavers, just so you know. I love these things so much. So I just put that in there. This is the easiest thing in the world to do. There's 2 variations for it. Hi, Sonia. Hi, Heidi. Don't mind my hair. There's 2 variations for this recipe. And so I'm kind of mixing them both a little bit just because it's my world, so I'm gonna do it. But it's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. That's it. And I literally stick it in here, and like I'm good to go, and I can go run around in circles. So all I have a roast. Oh, come on. I don't like to touch it. Don't judge me. Oh, you know what? First, I'm gonna dump a 1/4 cup of water into here, just so it's in there. And then I'll put the roast in. Oh my gosh. So this was like a little over a pound at Schnucks. My children don't really live with me anymore. So unfortunately, that was backwards. So it's Reynolds Kitchen slow cooker liners. I wish I could turn it around. These, I got them, there's 4 of them in here. I got them at Schnucks. Literally, they were on sale for like $2.99. So they're super cheap. You can also get them on Amazon. I'm gonna look for them on Amazon because that's where I used to buy them, but I was just at the store. These, I totally recommend these. And they even have them for like smaller crock pots. Like if you, because I have like little ones, like when I wanna boil chicken, you know, just to have like shredded chicken for stuff, because I just do it in a crock pot because it's easier for me. But neither here nor there. There's 2 different sizes, but those things are bomb. But so I put the roast in there, and I only have like a 1.5 pound roast because like my kids are never here, my daughter's never here, so it's really just me and my husband a lot of times. So I don't like want to waste a bunch of food because I used to, and I like had to learn how to like cook for, you know, like smaller amounts of people, because it's hard when you're used to cooking for like a ton and then you're just not. So I'm gonna take a packet of ranch seasoning. I already cut it. So I'm gonna put that right on the roast, literally right on top of the roast. And then, so this is where the recipes kind of vary. Do you think they'd work in Instant Pot? Yeah, for sure. I totally think it would work in an Instant Pot. I'm just scared of them. I know that sounds like completely ridiculous, but I'm super scared of them. So one of these days I'll buy one and try one, but I don't know, like I hear all these stories where people are like, I don't know, it like blew up, and I don't know, I'm just weird. So like if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So the recipe, so I'm putting a packet of this au jus gravy in there, but you can put Lipton onion soup mix in it if you want that. My kids are kind of weird about onions, so I do it this way. Like if it was just me and Tommy, I wouldn't mind, but I know Aiden's gonna be home at some point tonight, and he's gonna look at me and be like, you thought, where's the mac and cheese? And I just don't wanna argue, because it's not fun. So a pack of au jus, a pack of ranch, and then I'm gonna throw, I think there's like 5. You got 1 for Christmas. Tell me how you like it. Have you used it? I don't know, I'm such a chicken. I'm a chicken. But there's 5 pepperocinis in here. I'm just gonna literally like put them just around, like a couple on top, on the corner. This was my most popular roast recipe last year in my household, just so you know. Like, and I tried different ones, and when I made this, like literally the whole family was like, dang, that's good. I was like, really? So I put those in there. Now, some people don't want to put butter in it, and some people do. I do. Again, I'm trying to like be as kid friendly as possible, but if I was just making it for me and my husband, I probably wouldn't, just because you know, I don't need extra calories if I don't need them, or no. You know what I'm saying? I don't want them or whatever. But since I do know my son's gonna be home and it has to be something that he's gonna wanna eat, I'm gonna put some butter in there. It's like, I think it's a stick. No, it's not a stick. It's like 6 tablespoons, but I'm not gonna put all of it. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna do all 6. Like, I'm just eyeballing it because that's what I do. But this is just normal, smart, balanced butter. I'm gonna put, well, maybe close to the 6 tablespoons, not gonna lie. Ooh. Don't count these calories, sister. Wow. All right. And that's literally it. So I'm gonna put the lid on it, and I'm gonna do it on high for 4 hours just because it's already 1, and like I know everyone's gonna be home and like hungry, except for my daughter, she has to work tonight, but I know that Tommy and Aiden are both gonna be on me about it. So I'm gonna do it on high, but generally I do it on low. Just today I got a late start, but I literally put it on high, and that's the end of it. Like, lid on, and then I serve this with rice because that's what my family likes. You can do like mashed potatoes though, or like a salad. Like, you can do all kinds of stuff with this, but it's so good. It's literally the most favorite recipe in my house when it comes to beef. We're not massive beef eaters, but you know. Yeah, butter on roast is the bomb. So anyway, if you guys try it, let me know. I'll put a picture in the comments in 4 hours, and you guys can see what it looks like when it's done. But literally, I promise you, if you're a busy person, you're like literally gonna love it. I literally dumped like 5 things and I walk away and I come back later and it's good. So if you try it, let me know. Heidi, if you try it in the Instant Pot, will you tell me? Because I'm curious. I'm chicken and I'm curious. So, all right. I will see you guys later. Have the best day. Bye.